Hello everybody, Future Kit here. In this video, pretty much is first video I've ever made, and first video I've ever edited. So I wanted to say sorry for any low quality or clicking sounds. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I tried my best to be energetic as much as I could. I'm just really tired, but I really do hope you enjoy. I talk a lot of nonsense, but hopefully it's something you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below, and give me some advice. You know, I'd love to hear your guys's your advice on making videos, any improvements I can make. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm only going to be using anything that says magic. So if it says summon or magic damage, I can use it, at least for this playthrough. Go ahead and click that. Anything else though, I am not able to use. So that'll be fun. Torches. I hope that's silver. I would love that. I don't know if you guys have noticed this though. It lags from time to time. Ooh, already a little like one area. It does lag from time to time, but it's mostly because there's like a lot of mods going on, a lot of things going on. Ooh, nice. I will take this over the topaz staff. Now potion, silver. I'll just take the wooden arrows for the sole reason of I can sell that later. That's literally the only reason why I take those, because I can sell the wooden arrows later on to the merchant whenever he arrives. I forgot what the requirement was for getting the trader. I think it was like 1 gold or something like that. Ooh, I love these things. These things give me so much sapphire. It is actually dumb how much sapphire I get from these. Let's get a night owl potion going. I don't want to use my shine potion yet, or my spelunker potion, until like I get deeper into the caverns. Nice. How much did I get from that? 4 sapphire? That's good. Let's go ahead and get this. I think this is silver too. Yeah. At this rate I might end up getting a... What was that? And that's scary. At this rate I might be able to get a full... Oh. I thought I killed the jellyfish and the slime at the same time. Wow, that was interesting. Let's go back to that cave. I want to go back to that cave. I'm gonna go back to the cave and then, ooh, I was not looking at that. What is that? That was a ghosty. Ow. I'm gonna go ahead and go to, back to the cave, back to where I died, collect my coins, and keep exploring. Might use, do I still have my, yeah, I still have my night owl potion going. 15, it does less damage, but it doesn't have the bad modifier. You know, it's really annoying, the fact that I can't one-shot a slime right now, because usually slimes are not that difficult for me. Also, there's a lot of blood. I just noticed that. Like, I haven't really been noticing critter blood. Bat. Ice bat. These things are annoying. Saving freak. Inflict. Satisfies. Nope. Leave me alone. They're actually gonna eat. Okay, kill me. Well, I died. That's 1 gold down the drain. I should have expected him to jump, I'm not gonna lie. I should have expected him to jump. But I am dumb. Legit or legit? I don't know what that means. Legit. I don't know, but there's iron right here, and I care more about the iron than the legit ore. I need to find the pronunciations for these things, because these things are weird. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go back. Going right this time. Thank God that I got the cloud in the bottle though. Snow biome. If I get the ice shards too, that would be really nice. Getting the ice shards straight off the bat. So, why am I dying already? Why am I dying already? I barely even like confuzzled. Frozen lungs. Oh, I forgot that was a thing. I honestly forgot that was a thing. Okay, I'm going to die if I don't get out of the water. Oh, I almost died because I forgot that if you go into frozen water or ice biome water, it drowns you. Okay, that is a scary thought. That is a scary thought, and good to know. I completely forgot about that. I'm gonna need a big heal. Ooh, boreal wood actually is really cool and really nice. Wait, can I use this on top of? I can. I can use this on top of healing potions. I love this herbalist class. And technically, I'm not using weapons, so I'm gonna be eating these a lot. I'm gonna be grabbing this boreal wood though, because boreal wood makes really nice structures. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all these. Where are all the enemies? I feel like there's nothing spawning, and that is not okay, because I need the shards. It might be just an issue like spawning stuff because there's so many enemies, or maybe I don't know. I'm making sense out of nothing. It's probably just like the game is being nice to me right now, and then in like one more night or two I'm just gonna get overwhelmed by enemies and get my butt eaten. Okay. I kind of want to go down here for a second, just to see if there's anything. Hopefully there's like a chest or something. Rope. Man's best friend when you don't have wings. One thing I will say though, once I get the grab potions, like a bunch of grab potions, I'm gonna go and get wings. Because I know you can get fledgling wings from the Sky Islands, and a lot of ores from a certain mod. I think it's the thorium mod, or I think it's calamity mod. But there's like meteor falls, meteor islands on the top, on the like the space area, and they grant a lot of ores, and I would love to just mine all that, because some of them can be like gems, some of them can be like a whole iron deposit meteor thing, and it's amazing. If I remember right, wolfram enemies only spawn a day, daytime, so that sucks. Let's go ahead and grab all this. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. There's an eye down there. It's a good thing my slime has like insane aggro range. Demon eyes. Ice slime. Good thing about the bulwark though is that it adds like a life barrier. I guess it's called. It basically makes it so that I don't die as fast. Why is that zombie like? Is that like its arm? Can I get his arm? I would like to get his arm. I'm just gonna let my son kill it. Okay. I don't want to go too far down because I was doing something, but I keep finding these little like pots and I just want to break them. The good thing though is that I do have a way up quickly with the rope. Oop. Oh wait, I already found this chest, right? Yeah, this wouldn't be ice blade. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. And that almost hit me. I'm going up now. I will say, one thing about all the mods is that there's an insane amount of enemies, and I'm kind of scared on finding out how many enemies this stuff will add, like all the mods will add. I am out of mana. I really need mana stars. It's a good thing it's nighttime though, because I can go ahead and snowball. Snowballs are really easy to kill if you keep them low. If you don't know what a snowball is, it's literally a snowball. It'll like start rolling at you, and like the more it rolls, the more damage it's gonna do, and the more health it's gonna have. So like, kill it as quick. Kill it as quick as you can. How much boreal wood do I have? 500? 580? I don't know what all these names mean, but kind of cool. Fallen star. I'm just gonna keep running and pretend like they're not there. Because they're not dropping ice shards because it's not daytime. Because they only drop during daytime, the ice shards. So I'm gonna just go ahead and keep it going so I can get more chests, more items. Come on, give me some good iron ore. At this point I'm just trying to get Hermes boots. Like, that's literally my whole entire thing right now. Just get Hermes boots, or at least get like some kind of good magic item that I can go with. Chest. Recovery wand. Ah, I can't use it. It's a healer class. Wood. What's this? Rope gun. Exactly what it sounds like. Does not damage to enemies, but good for getting out of tight spaces early on. Shoots rope coils that can cleave the walls. Requires rope coil as ammo. I mean, I'll take it. It's technically not a weapon. It's a tool, I guess. I don't know. I'll keep it though. Sounds like it's gonna save my butt a little bit. I think I can make it. Yeah, I can make it. I want to grab all that tin, just because you know it's there. But at the same time, I don't remember what Fallen Star. Ooh, moon's beautiful. I need more mana though. Like, I seriously need more mana. And I would like to get more mana. Boop. Ow. Aw. Poor little animal died. I do love how it's... Okay, this is the crimson biome. Do I dare? I dare. I dare. There's usually like a couple things in here. If I die, I die. So. Boop, boop, boop. I'm just gonna keep using these. So I can get them out of my inventory and heal at the same time. Slime, what are you doing? Slime, slime, slime. This is why I need more. This is why I need more from shards. There's... Ooh. No! Ow! Well. That seems fun. Without grabbing anything, can I make anything? Iron bars. I can make 4. 4 and 5. Okay. Ugly axe. I didn't want to blame the modder for making this. Some of these modders are actually really funny, and they'll put like jokes in their weapons and stuff like that, and I think that's really cool and a very nice touch, especially for like for anybody to like see. Like you see that and you're like, okay, that's cool. I want to use it. I want this mod is fun. If you guys have any mods that you'd like me to do in the future, I'm more than happy to play them and just kind of experiment. I do like mods. I do like playing mods. Later on though, I will be making a what's it called, a Demon Slayer run, because I love Demon Slayer, so I'm gonna be playing Demon Slayer on Terraria, 2 other things that I really enjoy, so it's gonna be a fun experience. Did I not put Wolfram scraps in here? Did I just get a zombie egg? Sir, I need to know what this makes, because that is cool. It makes breaker helmet, corruptor, middle click with it to enter sniper mode, termination, rune of lust. Okay, so I can make runes, this is a tier 5 rune, because the melee damage by 18. That is really cool, and I wish I could make it, but I'm not going to, because it doesn't protrude to, oh, it's daytime. It doesn't protrude to summer classes or magic, so we're just gonna go ahead and pretend like that is not a thing that I saw. Except I don't have these types of bones. Okay, my bad. I'll just get rid of this. I actually turned on my son's rocker that with my feet. That is hilarious. I'm gonna go ahead and just they probably just gave me one so I can start off. No, I don't want to equip it as my armor. I want to put it as vanity. Look at me, I look dapper. Alright, it should be daytime now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go left, and instead of going underground, say above ground, I think. hopefully. I just got like 50 notifications. Sorry about that. Let's see if there's anything to the left, above ground. Hopefully there is. I would like to find a desert biome. Hopefully. As I say that, desert. I don't remember what the cactus armor gives for bonus, but I say I want the desert biome for two main reasons. Fossils, because fossils make really good weapons, and antlions. Antlions make a decent summon weapon, but now that I know it's right there and it's a small one, I can deal with it a little bit better. Hopefully though, there's a bigger one, because I think there should be a temple or something in one of them. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That is this one. I feel like there's something down here. I really want to go down here. Oh look, the slime's going down here, so I'm going to. Yeah! Hermes boots. No. I'll take the grenades though. Never mind, it does range damage. I can't do that. I'm gonna stick to my rules that I put when it comes to what I can use and what I cannot use. Defense enhancements, that is good. Defense enhancement, if you upgrade it to the last upgrade, it gives like 4 to 6. Living wood tree, yes. Usually doesn't give anything good to me because it hates me, but this time it came through. Awesome. I'm switching this with that. That is awesome. Tin bars. I don't exactly need tin bars, but I will be going down here. I know I said I was going to stay above ground, but these trees usually give good stuff. Sometimes. That's water. Water. Boom, boom, boom. Finch staff, and it's the demonic finch staff. Summons a baby finch. I'm going to do that instead. That is awesome. 15 bombs. That is quite a bit of bombs. Mining potion, recall potion, and 66 silver coins. That is what's up. Now that I have a flying summon, I don't want to go down here. I should be able to deal with enemies just a little bit easier because flying summons. And it has a really good modifier too. Goblin? No, when you think of herbalist, you don't think damage. Why is there another one? Where's my finch? Why is it? Oh. I'll chop down this, oh, leaf wand. I don't need that, but good to know. Boom. Come on, finch. Come on, finch. Do it to him. Never mind. Oh, I got to the beach and there's no... Hello. There's no corruption on this side, which is awesome.